Greetings, Autism Tree Project families. I'm Tommy, here with my dad, Rob.
I'm Rob, and we are Boys Team Charity volunteers for the Autism Tree Project.
Welcome to On the Move with Tommy and Rob.
Nice.
Today's action move is push-ups.
Okay, so we're gonna do push-ups. Form is pretty important. Tommy, go ahead.
All right, be sure to have a flat back. No sneak bugging or drooping. Flat as a plank.
All right, start those push-ups. And
All right,
if you
we're
want
doing
it to
this.
be lower impact, we're gonna grab a chair and do some chair push-ups. All right, let's go, Tommy.
Woo! I'm feeling the burn.
I'm feeling it. This is good. Even the chair
Woo!
push-up gets your muscles engaged. Ooh, good job, everybody. Okay, let's start our warm down. That was a good workout.
Awesome.
Shake it out.
Woo! If you're down like me, if your wrists hurt, you can always do like this. Mine are pretty tight.
Okay, all right. Now shake it out. And give yourselves a pat on the back. That was a good one. Not easy.
Yeah. You guys are awesome. See you next time, next video. On the Move with Tommy and Rob.